Guys, for this lesson, all we need is Arduino Uno board, the LED or light emitting diode, the 220 ohms resistor, two jumper wires, and this USB cable. So first, let's try to put all these things on the breadboard. So as you can see, the longer side of the LED is the positive side. So let's put it on the breadboard. So the positive side is here, the negative side is here. So as our indicator, before we proceed, let's put this resistor to the in line with the positive side of the LED. As you can see, I put it there. So they're now aligned together. And then in the Arduino Uno, let's connect the ground side of the LED using this wire, the black wire. Always use black wire as ground when connecting to the Arduino board. So we have ground here, ground, and then this blue wire as our pin connector. This one will go to of the positive one in line with the resistor to limit the flow of the current. So since we use the PWM pin in the Arduino board should be used also. So let's use the pin number 9, which is a PWM pin number. So that's it. That's how easy to connect these wires, so you can see. And then the last touch is the USB cable, so we can upload the program. So again, this will be our connection here, so you can see. Then let's try to upload the program or the code, assuming that you have already compiled the program. Okay, done uploading. And as you can see, the LED starts to, it gets brighter. So let's turn off our lights here. The dimming and the brightness is being controlled by within our program, since we have a for loop here.